Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we're going to learn the vocabulary for the breakfast in Slovak language. You can find a link in the description to download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! The breakfast, raňajky, can vary from country to country. We'll show you firstly the typical Slovak breakfast and after other vocabulary. One of the most traditional breakfast choice is porridge, kaša, made with oatmeal, ovsené vločky, and milk, mlieko. Another typical breakfast is bread, chlieb, with butter, maslo, honey, med, or olive oil, olivový olej, bacon, slanina, cheese, syr, and vegetables, zelenina, like bell pepper, paprika, tomato, paradajka, onion, cibula, and cucumber, uhorka. Also, different kinds of eggs, vajcia, like scrambled eggs, praženica, are a favorite. The preferred drinks are tea, chai, coffee, káva, and juice. Other possibilities for breakfast are sausages, párky, yogurt, pancakes, palacinky, jam, and cereals, cereálie. You could also have a toast or fruits, ovocie, like a banana, banán, or an orange, pomaranč. Finally, you might want some cakes, koláč, a donut, šiška, or a croissant. We hope you found this video useful and let us know in the comments what is your favorite Slovak breakfast. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!